Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will be presenting our project which is Asset Borrowing System for Information Technology Department of Kangar Vocational College.
Our team members are Syazaki Sina binti Nizam, Nur Amin Nabila binti Adi Fitri, Siti Novana Izzati binti Abdul Hafiz, Nur Dalila binti Muhammad Azmi and Jamilah binti Yusuf.
I'd like to begin with the introduction. This project aims to develop a database-driven asset management system to replace the less efficient manual approach.
The system is designed to simplify the process of asset borrowing and monitoring, allowing the assistant head of program and lecturers to access and update asset information more quickly and accurately. The agile methodology was employed in the development of this system due to its flexibility in adapting to user requirements.
Flowchart and ERD were used in the design phase to establish a clear and structured workflow.
The results of this project indicate that the developed system successfully enhances asset management efficiency within the Information Technology Department.
Now that we have understood the project introductions, let's look at the problem statements. There are 3 problem statements here. The first one is, the Information Technology Department lacked a systematic system for recording department asset. Secondly, the assistant head of the Information Technology program cannot identify asset borrowers. And the last one is, the location of asset is difficult to track.
To overcome the problems that we have stated before, we have outlined specific objectives. First, design an asset usage system to record asset borrowing using a database for the Information Technology Department of Kangar Vocational College. Second, develop a database system to facilitate asset management by the assistant head of the program and lecturer of the Information Technology Department. Last but not least, implement an asset usage system to check the availability of borrowed equipment.
Let's move on to our system's novelty. Our project transforms traditional asset management into a modern, efficient, and automated system using database-driven technology. It introduces digital tracking, asset search and history, user-friendly, and the last one is agile and scalable development.
Next, our system advantages. First, the system helps the assistant head of the program track and identify equipment borrowers. It makes the workshop more organized, safe, and optimally functional for lecturers. The system also ensures all assets are monitored and their status is reported to management.
Moving on to our system's commercialization.
Our database-driven asset management system is highly marketable for educational institutions, corporate offices, and government agencies.
Here is our system interface. This is the display of our system login. Next is the display of admin's dashboard and the display of the user borrowing asset record.
Now, moving on to the most important part, our system demonstration. First, you will see this display.
Click on the user log button to log in. Click on the user registration button if you have not registered yet. Then, fill in the information in the provided form. Once all the information is completed, click register. If the registration is successful, the system will display the following screen. Then, click on the login button. Enter your user ID and password to log in.
The system will display on the screen where you need to click on the required option. Fill in the form provided to borrow an asset. Your name will automatically be in the system. Choose the asset you want to borrow. Next, specify the asset quantity. Then, determine the borrowing date and return date.
Once done, click on the Submit button. Your request will be processed. Click on View Borrow List if you want to check. To check the borrow list, you need to enter your user ID. Your reception detail will be displayed. Please refer to the status to see if it is active or not. Finish off by logging out.
Click on the Admin Login button. Enter the user ID and password in the provided field, then log in. The user information interface will be displayed. Next, select the desired option. To review pending user registrations, click on the provided button. Then, click on the user borrowing record, select to review and take action if necessary. The admin can approve, cancel, or delete your request.
To add a new asset, the admin must first register the asset.
Enter the required details as displayed on screen. Ensure the asset status is updated as long as the asset is in the user list. Enter accurate data to facilitate proper user registration. The admin can manage registered assets. Review the previously added data.
If there is a damaged asset, the admin can change the status to inactive or under maintenance. Here, we will show an example of an asset with inactive or under maintenance status. This example will be reflected in the user interface later. The final function in the admin interface is generating reports based on selected month and years. Next, log in as a user to check the loan status. Now, we will show an example of the user interface reflecting the updated asset status made by the admin earlier.
Now that our system's demonstration comes to an end, it also means our presentation have arrived the finishing line. That's all for us today. Thank you.